In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video speed using CapCut on your computer. Whether you're looking to fast forward a long lecture or slow down an action scene for dramatic effect, this guide will have you mastering speed adjustments in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening CapCut on your computer. Once you're in, go ahead and start a new project. This fresh workspace will be where all the magic happens. It's always good to start clean and organized, ensuring that everything you need is ready at your fingertips. Next, it's time to import the video you want to edit. You can do this by dragging your file directly into the CapCut interface. Once imported, make sure you drag that video clip down onto the timeline. The timeline is your canvas. This is where you'll make all your adjustments and see your project come to life. With your video now on the timeline, the next step is to click on the video clip. This action selects the video, signaling to the software that this specific clip is where you want to make changes. You'll notice that when selected, the clip will be highlighted or outlined, which helps confirm your selection. Now, look towards the toolbar located above the timeline. You'll see numerous editing options available, but for our purpose, you'll want to click on the Speed option. This feature allows you to modify how fast or how slow your video plays, opening up your creative possibilities. Once you click Speed, you will be presented with two different choices. If you're looking for uniformity, you can select 1.x speed for a constant speed adjustment. However, if you want to play around with different speed settings throughout your clip, choose Curve for advanced speed control. Curves are particularly useful for more complex projects where varying speeds can highlight different parts of your video. If you chose the normal setting with a constant speed, you would now drag the slider right to speed up or left to slow down the video. The further you drag, the more pronounced the speed change. This feature is particularly user-friendly for those just starting with video editing. After you've made your desired changes, it's crucial to finalize them. To do this, simply click OK. By confirming your choices, you ensure that all the speed adjustments are applied to your video, preparing it perfectly for the next step in your editing process or straight for export and publication. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively adjust the speed of any video clip within CapCut on your computer. With this skill, you can enhance the pacing and the overall impact of your video projects. As you continue editing, feel free to revisit and experiment with these settings, discovering new ways to bring out the best in your footage.